Hey everybody, this is Kim from Her Family Farm in Comby, Texas, and I'm here today with another Bloodahula that is going home. This is a little boy. This is out of Larry Moe and Curly's group. This little boy has a natural little bobtail, because his mom is a bloodhound and his dad is a Catahoula, and his dad is a natural bobtail. So these dogs are absolutely wonderful. Great tracking, trailing, hunting dogs, and family dogs are very happy. This little guy just got a collar put on him this morning, so he's never had anything around his neck before, and this is our very, very first walk. So we walked for about 10 minutes. And he fought it. He liked to hop around and be all goofy and, just plant his feet and stop. And, we just gently went slow at his pace. And finally he goes, okay, I give in. And so now we're walking. We're walking and tracking. And this guy was born June 1st. So he's just 5 months old. Beautiful black and tan, and he is going home today. So he just got his bath and his ears done, and he didn't like me messing with his feet, so I didn't get all of his nails done, but 2 out of 3 so far, and a nice walk. It's beautiful here in Texas. I think we're supposed to be 86 today, so less than, what do we have, 10, 11 days maybe to Thanksgiving. So we're supposed to get some rain this week, but that'll come in Wednesday. But right now we're enjoying the weather. And for a very, very first leash walk, he's doing really, really well. Exceptionally well.